Good morning, all of you. Today we are coming to visit a setup in Berhampur. It's a bajri farm, and this is the bajris. This is the breeding pairs, and this is a lovebird breeding pair. This is bajri chicks. There is also a lot of bajri chicks is there. It's a budget chicks is available for sale. Anyone interested to purchase, contact us. I will already given the customer number. This is also a cocktail. This is also a chicks with his father. This is also a cocktail. There is a lovebird. There is also a lovebird. It is situated in Berhampur. Anyone interested to purchase, contact this breeder. I already given the breeder number.